Good afternoon, Steve from All-Star Case Breaks. That's the 120 and bottom left. Doing a couple boxes of 2016 Bowman Jumbo Draft for Derek. Good luck, man. We hit a Moniac Blue earlier today out of a Super Jumbo box. Actually, forget that. We want one of the Black Wave packs with 6 autographs. Okay. All right, good luck. Here's the Chrome. Shaw and Santeliza refractors. Adcock and McGuire refractors. Nelly Rodriguez, black paper. Easton McGee. '58 of '99. Hansen and Call refractors. And there's another Under Armour, Carter Keyboom. Under Armour All-American, 138 of 225. Dean and Alonso. Well, no. Second autograph, Buddy Reed. Second round. Refractors of Keller and Arroyo. Lynch and Diplin. Black paper, Drew Jackson. And the third autograph, Cavan Biggio. Jake Fraley refractor. Ronnie Williams and Brett Cumberland refractors. Wall and Honeywell refractors. Szynski and Rodriguez. And 4 autographs in this box. T.J. Zook green. 12 of 99. Solak and Rizzo. Shaw and Banks. All right, first box. It's time to hit a gold or purple. This one, this box was the one with the one. Yeah, green is of 99. It's time for a gold, orange, or red, or super. I've hit all the other colors recently. Good afternoon, TCU Frogger. Good luck, box 2. Hudson and Beatty refractors. Charles LeBlanc black. Anderson and Banda refractors. Andrew Sopko, blue. 125 of 150. Phillips and Jeffries. Capel and Carlson. No auto there. I'll go back through them if we don't find it on the Tim Lynch. Mueller and Hader. Blue paper, Cole Reagans. 2 of 150. Kirilloff and Howard refractors. Oh, draft history. First real auto of these I've hit. Johnny Bench. Beautiful card. Congratulations, Derek. Yeah. Nice auto. Good centering. Yeah, congratulations. It's a good case so far. Bichette and Bickford. Wade and Whitley. Polka. Ice and Hap. Keyboom and Ecker. And the third auto, Bryce Wilson for the Braves. Fox and Yerzy refractors. Austin Meadows purple. 34 of 250. DeJong and Manning. And that's 2 boxes. Congratulations. 2 nice ones. Meadows, Wilson, Johnny Bench, Lynch, Suk out of 99, Biggio, Reed, and Carter Keyboom Under Armour. I'll put these with your others.